I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to swap out a key cylinder on a Ford Ranger. This is the key cylinder, my original key cylinder with the proper key. This is the key cylinder that came out of the wrecking yard column. If you flip this guy over, you can see there's a hole right here with a ball in it. All you need to do is take something like this here Torx screwdriver, push that down in there, turn the key as if you're starting the truck, switching over to the all. That's it. Now I'm going to take my key cylinder. Now we're going to put this one back in. That's it, we're done. Ignition key cylinder changed in 30 seconds. Believe it or not, you can do this with the truck completely assembled and still with the column cover on, and you can slide this out same way.